Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to auto trace the image inserted in Solidworks. So as you can see, I have traced one Formula 1 car here. So how to do that I will tell you step by step. So let's make first part, then you can sketch over here. To insert the image you must have your sketching on, okay, and then you have to go to the tools and sketch tools and go to the sketch picture. Now you have to select the picture. Let's say I'm selecting this Formula 1, which is proper black, and there are some gradients over here. It will be good if you have a picture in one color only, like this. Avoid this kind of gradient because it will be really hard to trace, right? So in this sketch you can just resize your image if you want. These are the dimension and these are the degrees. You can rotate your picture like that, okay, and you can enable scaling tool. So if you want to change your scale, like if you want to change the ratio, then you can just click untick this and you can do by yourself, right? There are some transparency options are there where you can just full image and go to the transparency level, right? Just like that. Okay, now coming to the auto tracing the outer edges of the Formula 1 car, how to do that? So for that you have to tick the auto trace option on. If you tick, then and only you are unable to do the auto tracing of the image, right? So you have to tick this on, and yeah, we are ready, and double click on it. Now this option will be there, right? The arrow next, and you have to select. There are many different types of selection tools. Personally I prefer the select color by pin dropping. So pin drop I will do on this color, okay, and begin the trace. As you click begin the trace, it will trace your image like that, right? But now you want accuracy, so how to do that? So in that you can just do the preview setting. You can see the preview of the trace, and now you have to control the parameters just like that. Image brightness, if I do the brightness like that, you can see the curve how it is getting traced. Now also you can control it by contrast as well. So it is not getting properly. What you can do, go to the color tolerance. Color tolerance is not affecting a lot, but let's try with some recognition tolerance and image brightness. Image brightness will affect a lot, and this is how you can trace your image. The more accurate colors and edges will be there, the easy way to get the trace done, right? So this is how. There are some gradients, that's why it is creating some errors, but to avoid that, make sure your part is full in one color, right? So if you do apply, it will create a trace like that, and you can just use it as a sketch purpose, right? So as you can see, if I hide that, if I hide the picture, wait, it will not. So what will I do? I just create the 0 transparency, and as you can see, I have created my sketch. Now it is open from that side. So what you can do, you can just do joint, and at some point it is open, that's why it is not closed, okay. So you have to find that, and you can do extrude. Any command you can do, right? Any operation you can do on this sketch, and you can use it as an extrude if it is a closed sketch, okay. For now, this is how you can do the auto tracing of the image. Why I taught this in middle of the surfacing? Because it will be very helpful in the future to make the cars, make the blueprints into the sketch, right? Directly converting to the sketch. So this is how it is gonna help you in the future. That's why I took this topic in the middle of the surfacing part, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning.